So, to me, video games are very entertaining. Here are some of my favorite games. Donkey Kong Bonanza. It's very chaotic. Here are some of the other ways I describe it. Minecraft. You can break blocks, place blocks, craft stuff. Fortnite. You can flip people, no scope people. There's killing. And best of all, it has a variety of games. Brawl Stars. Dude, they've been killing it with the collabs and events. You can also punch people. Super Mario Odyssey, baby. It's Donkey Kong Bonanza, just better. You can kick Bowser's tail or whatever. Instead of sub-layers, you have kingdoms. Instead of bananas, you have power moons. 10 out of 10 rated by Nerd Animation X. Which one? Oh, I know. It is. You'll find out in Candy Criticism too. Goodbye.